Don't blink. The following video may overturn your understanding of the universe. It might even reveal to you an entirely new world. Have you ever wondered where our world comes from? How did humanity appear? Will time travel ever exist in the future? Or whether alien civilizations might exist? We are always troubled by these questions. Yet no matter what, we cannot find the answers. But there was one person who gave his own answers to these questions. That person was Stephen Hawking. Mention Hawking, and the first thing people think of is his severe muscular dystrophy. But few know he actually made contributions in many fields. Hawking was born in 1942. At 21, in the prime of his youth, he was diagnosed with ALS. His whole body became paralyzed. He could no longer speak. Only his eyes and 3 fingers could move. But even so, Hawking relied on an unimaginable willpower to achieve greatness in astrophysics, especially in black hole theory. He made remarkable contributions. Before he passed away, he gave his own answers to 5 ultimate questions about the universe. Today, we'll discuss his answers. The first question: does extraterrestrial life exist? As a theoretical physicist, Hawking was also fascinated by this question. He believed that to determine if alien life exists, we must first define the form life can take. From our human understanding, life is based on carbon atoms. Some argue life could be based on other elements. But across the vast universe, carbon is clearly the best candidate for life. It is chemically versatile and stable. On Earth, for example, life emerged about 1 billion years after the planet's formation. From single-celled to multicellular life took 2.5 billion years. Then it took another billion to evolve into fish. Evolution then accelerated. From early mammals to humans took only a fraction of that time. Since Earth's lifespan is about 10 billion years, there have been countless chances for life to evolve here. By extension, planets like Earth across the cosmos could also develop life. But how many could evolve intelligent life comparable to humans is another question. If not for the asteroid impact 66 million years ago, dinosaurs might still rule Earth today. They were perfectly adapted to this planet. Had another impact happened since then, humans might never have emerged. Scientists estimate Earth is hit by a large asteroid every 30 to 60 million years. We're fortunate it hasn't happened recently, allowing humanity to exist today. But collisions are common in the cosmos. Civilizations might be wiped out before they begin. So, while life may be widespread, intelligent civilizations are rare. The second question: is time travel possible? According to Einstein's theory of relativity, space and time bend in the presence of matter. To travel through space-time, we'd need a spacecraft faster than light. But faster speeds require more energy. To surpass light speed would take infinite energy. Even consuming the universe's mass wouldn't suffice. Could folding space-time into a wormhole work? Hawking thought not. Traveling back would cause paradoxes. For example, if you killed your grandmother, would you still exist? Some propose multiverse theories, but no evidence has been found. Thus, Hawking believed time travel to the past is impossible. At most, we may travel into the future. The third question: what lies inside a black hole? As we know, Hawking spent his life studying them. He proposed black holes emit particles, the famous Hawking radiation theory. A black hole is not entirely black, nor a hole. It can gain or lose mass. Quantum mechanics supports this with virtual particles. One gets absorbed, the other escapes. This is Hawking radiation. The fourth question: does God exist? Religion claims a supreme being created everything and watches over us. But Hawking, as a physicist, did not believe in God. He thought natural laws explain everything. For example, ancient people once viewed solar eclipses as ominous punishments from the heavens. But as science advanced, we learned an eclipse simply occurs when the sun, moon, and earth align. Likewise, phenomena throughout the universe can be explained by physics. If one insists on using the word God, it could be taken as a poetic name for the laws of nature. The fifth question: what is needed to create a universe? On this, Hawking said that no matter how vast the cosmos is, only 3 ingredients are needed to create a universe. First is matter. The land we see, water, gases, everything material in the universe. Second is energy. The light and heat we feel are forms of energy. When you gaze at the night sky, the stars you see are distant suns, brimming with energy themselves. With those 2 in place, there is a third, the most crucial ingredient: space. When we speak of the universe, we think of its vastness, not of something small. Even the observable universe spans 93 billion light-years. Only such immensity deserves to be called a universe. With these three ingredients, a universe takes shape. Einstein's famous equation makes clear the relationship between matter and energy, in simple terms. Matter is energy. They're essentially the same thing. So you could say only two ingredients are needed. Hawking believed our universe arose from a hot Big Bang 13.8 billion years ago. And with it, the very concept of time began. The Big Bang produced a huge amount of positive energy, balanced by an equal amount of negative energy. It's like piling up a little hill of sand on a beach, if the hill is the universe. Then the pit you dug to make it is the negative counterpart. Add them together and they balance. This is a basic principle behind our universe. In fact, the answers and predictions Hawking left to the world are far more numerous. From a modern perspective, he taught us how to think and face the future. His responses about the universe greatly satisfied our curiosity. As a physicist who became paralyzed at the age of 21, Hawking's indomitable will taught us to face the cosmos with childlike wonder, to keep faith in adversity, to remain optimistic, and to love humanity. These are the greatest gifts he left us.